My Jesus, my Savior, Lord, there is none like you. All of my days, I want to praise the wonders of your mighty love. My comfort, my shelter, tower of refuge and strength. Let every breath, all that I am, never cease to worship you. Shout to the Lord, all the earth, let us sing. Power and majesty, praise to the King. Mountains bow down and the seas will roar at the sound of your name. I sing for joy at the works of your hand. Forever I love you, forever I stand. Nothing compares to the promise I have in you. So yun, salamat Lord sa araw na to sapagkat dinagdagan mo na naman yung aking edad at tunay Lord na napakabuti mo Panginoon. At Lord, yung buhay ko Panginoon patuloy kong ipapagamit po sa iyo. At yun, salamat din po sa lahat ng mga nagbati sa akin today. Maraming salamat at patuloy po tayong pagpalain ng Panginoon. God bless everyone. Bye!